Hello, I'm Peter from Ben Grelick, and today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning your jewelry at home using simple household products. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some mild dish detergent, some water, just a little bit warm, almost to the point of boiling, but not quite, a dish towel or an old rag, an empty cup or bowl, an old toothbrush, and then your jewelry, your rings. Okay, so step number one, we're going to take our water, our warm water, and we're going to pour it in our glass bowl. We're going to take our dish detergent, just a little. Take our old toothbrush, we're going to get it all sudsy, and then we're going to place our ring in there, let it sit there for just a little bit, depending how much soap scum or lotion you have in there. And when you take it out, you're going to dip your toothbrush and you're going to scrub your diamonds and your side stones. And then also don't forget, on the inside, you might have little holes. I don't know if you can see that, but you're going to want to scrub in there because a lot of time that's where the dirt gets in. You can also lay it on a dishcloth and scrub it. Make sure you scrub it pretty well. And then once you think you have it cleaned, I'm just going to use this and dip it in our clean water. We want to make sure we dry it. Look how beautiful. Now a pro tip is when you clean your ring, a lot of times the soap scum will hold your diamonds in place. So what you can do to make sure that they're not loose is to bring it up to your ear and tap it. And if you hear like little clinks or your gemstones moving around, then you know your stones are loose. So you're going to want to bring it to your local jeweler, or definitely if you're in our area, bring it to us and we'll take a look at it. I hope this video was helpful, and happy cleaning.